Hello everyone and good evening. On behalf of Plutus Education, I, Satyamed Nandedkar, welcome all of you to what can be a game-changing moment for all of you. Right now, I can see that there are so many of you who have either finished your 12th standard exams or you are in different stages of your graduation, either at the undergrad level in the first year, second year. Some of you might have completed your graduation as well and are wondering in which direction do you want to take your career. But I think one elusive question that haunts everyone is, where exactly should I enroll to get the right kind of mentoring and guidance? Today, it's not only about coaching, because everybody has textbooks, everybody has the material, but you need guidance on how to clear the exams. You need guidance on which professional course is going to be the best one for you. And trust me, it is not as easy a choice as it seems. Back in the day when I was studying to be a chartered accountant, and I'm talking about 2010, 11, 2012, I'm talking about that period, we did not have anyone guiding us. We did not have anyone to tell whether this course is better or that one. And because it was still not the age of internet, there was no clarity about what all courses are also available in the market. Cut to 2025, the situation is completely opposite. Today, you literally have an overload of information. There are so many professional courses out there, be it ACCA, CMA, US, CPA, so many different professional courses out there, and you are literally bombarded with information from all ends. It could be your family, friends, relatives, the internet, social media, so many different ways, and so much overload of information I'm sure you all are suffering from right now. And it is this entire overload of information which makes decision making very, very difficult. When you have the luxury of choice is when you get confused, which is why I'm here to talk to all of you about three different professional courses: ACCA, USCMA and USCPA, all of which can be a game-changing moment for your career, helping you to propel it into the right direction that you want for yourself. If you are a 10th standard student who has just finished the exams, or if you are someone who has finished 12th standard and is now wondering what to do, I'm sure you have friends who are appearing for JEE, NEET and so many other exams, and you want a career in commerce. But a course like BCom is not the right one for you, because you know as much as anyone else does that the maximum a course like BCom can do for you is an annual salary of 3 to 3.5 lakh rupees. And in today's day and age in 2025, tell me, how feasible is that, and what kind of a quality or a standard of life is that going to afford you? Which is where professional courses come into play. I am a chartered accountant, ACCA, USCMA and CS myself, and I know what kind of a difference these courses can make to your career. A professional course with the right kind of mentoring and guidance and the right set of professional experience can put you in the league of achievers. So you could actually land the dream job that you have always wanted and build a respectable, well-paying career for you that is going to serve you for your entire lifetime. Courses like ACCA, USCMA, USCPA have gotten the fancy of Indian markets, Indian students right now, and rightfully so. There are a host of advantages that you get when you do your international professional qualifications. A course like ACCA is truly a global chartered accountancy qualification with an acceptance in 180 countries across the world. It is relatively easier as compared to the Indian chartered accountancy course with better pass percentages. And what is even better is that there is so much flexibility. Assuming that the exams basically are conducted 4 times in a year, so you have those many examination windows and you can kickstart your journey in a faster manner without having to wait for 6 months for your attempt, the way it happens in the Indian CA exams. Now, if you are pursuing your BCom from one of the list of universities mentioned by ACCA, then out of the 13 papers that you have to write, you get exemption for 5 papers. That means you only have to write 8 papers and you have a professional qualification with you. If you are an Indian chartered accountant or an Indian chartered accountancy student, depending on which level you are at right now, again you will get more exemptions. These exemptions have been awarded with an understanding that in your respective courses that you have studied, you already have acquired a lot of knowledge, which is why those exams are exempt for you and you only have to write a limited number of papers. Now, this is an opportunity that you can use for yourself to put your career in the right direction, exactly where you want. If you're not interested, if probably you feel that 2 years is a lot of time for you to commit, which on an average is what the ACCA course requires, you can even go for the US CMA qualification. The US CMA qualification is a management accountancy qualification, and what happens with that is you can finish the course if you are committed enough, if you are focused enough, you can finish the course in a span of 9 to 12 months and you have a professional qualification with you. Same goes for the US CPA qualification. Well, this qualification though has a list of some other additional requirements. For example, you need to have completed your BCom, which fetches you 90 credits. You need to have completed at least 1 year of MCom or an Indian CA, CS, CMA for that matter, Indian CMA for that matter, to be able to get the remaining 30 to 60 credits, which are absolutely essential for you to become eligible for the US CPA exams. With that requirement under your belt, you have to write 4 papers and you get a qualification, which is the chartered accountancy equivalent from the United States. And with so much work being outsourced to India on a regular basis, the opportunities for ACCAs, CMAs and US CPAs are only rising in India. So right now, be it the big fours, be it the big consulting firms, be it some of the best investment banks and other multinational companies, you will get brilliant career opportunities which are both satisfying on a professional level and very, very remunerative. And with this, I want to introduce you to what is the Plutus Education special offer for all the candidates out there. Now, please listen to me carefully. What we are offering you is a once in a lifetime opportunity. There are 2 special courses that we will be giving all those who enroll with us. And if you make these enrollments before the price rise happens before 1st of April, then you will be eligible to get a Diploma IFRS, a free Diploma IFRS course, which normally is worth 25,000. If you enroll for ACCA, CMA or CPA with us before the 31st of March, then this is something that you are going to get exclusively tailored for you. A free Diploma IFRS course, which everybody else would end up paying 25,000 for. This is a comprehensive 120-hour course that will give you in-depth knowledge about international financial reporting standards. And that's not all. You will also get access to a 9-month data analytics course, which is otherwise worth 40,000, but you will be getting access to this course for absolutely no additional cost. And ask around, ask your friends, ask your family members, or basically anyone who is in the workforce right now in this field. They will tell you unequivocally that if there are skill sets that are required right now, it is the skill to analyze data, it is the skill to do financial reporting, and these 2 courses, the Diploma IFRS course and the data analytics course, are basically going to give you are going to enhance and develop your skill sets in these 2 domains. Normally, if you look at it, the Diploma IFRS course, this course is for 25,000 and the data analytics course is for an additional 40,000. And as I said, ask around, Google, do all kinds of research that you want. Anybody will tell you that these are some of the life skills that a young professional requires. A young commerce professional requires these life skills. So it's all you have to do is a very simple activity. See, the Plutus Education has been running all these courses for a while now, and we have expert mentors and expert faculties who have completed the qualification themselves, which means they are in the best position to guide you. We have a robust team of trainers and mentors who are there to guide you every step of the way. Along with that, you get our own curated study material which you can use for your studies. Along with that, you get live and recorded sessions, more than 5,000 multiple choice questions and 200 tests that can help you prepare for your respective examinations. So all of this along with mentoring at each stage of the way. And that is not all. If you register for these courses before the 31st of March, you will be getting access to, as I said, a free Diploma IFRS course, which would normally be for 25,000, and a data analytics course which would otherwise be for 40,000, you will be getting access to these courses as at absolutely no additional cost. And one more word for all of you out there, we are increasing the prices by 15% come 1st of April. So if you want to avail this absolutely amazing and once in a lifetime offer, delay no further. What you have to do is very simple. In the description on our YouTube channel, you will find a link to a form. All you have to do is you have to fill that form, and our experts will be available to guide you every step of the way. If you're watching us on Instagram, you can check the bio. In the bio, we have a similar form that is there. All you have to do is fill the form and put in your details, and our experts and counselors will reach out to you so as to ensure that you get the best possible guidance and you can kickstart your journey for completing these professional courses right away. Opportunities like these do not come very often. So when the right opportunity knocks at your doorstep, make sure that you grab it with both hands and put yourself on the path to growth and success, something that all of you have been working really hard towards. With Plutus Education, as I said, you will get expert guidance by trainers and mentors, question banks, mock tests, unit tests, through end-to-end guidance on these professional courses. So please make sure that you fill the form and get in touch with our trainers. I, Satyamed Nandedkar, am looking forward to see all of you in these batches of Plutus Education very, very soon. I will repeat it one last time. We are increasing our prices from the 1st of April. So all of you hurry up. There is no time to be lost. Register right away for these courses and kickstart your professional journey. We are there to guide you at every step of the way. Thank you, and hoping to see all of you very, very, very soon. All the best for making the right decision.